supine hamstring curl. So supine being he's lying on his back. Nice job, buddy. His aim of the game is to keep a nice straight line from shoulder to hip. Lots of air into the sides, and as he pulls the hamstrings in, we're making sure that the spine doesn't change its shape. So he's squeezing the glutes, he's keeping his air into his abdominals, up, up, up. Good, and we're maintaining that nice straight line. Okay, we want the feet to be fairly close together. Darren's doing a great job with the eccentric, the lower there, nice and controlled. And again, just watching at all times into this area, making sure the spine doesn't change shape. Good activation into the glutes and the hamstrings. Excellent job, my friend. He's breathing really well. He's sending his air into the bottom, the sides and the low back all at the same time. And we're pulling in with the heels, keeping those hips nice and high. Don't feel too much tension in there at all, eh?
No, it's just the cramping in
the hamstrings. Great job, buddy. Boys, what do we think? Good? Oh, yes. One more. No, you're good, you're good. So, come back up to the top. So it's long through here, and then fold forward. Feel the difference? And now the pelvis moved. Wow, that's better.